Hello crafty friends, it's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and it is time for another new sheet load of cards. I hope you'll stick around, see the new sketch, see my first set, and find out how you can download the printable for free. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope that you'll be inspired to click on that subscribe button below and maybe even tap on that bell for notifications. If you're already a subscriber and regular viewer, welcome back. I'm so glad that you're here. As I mentioned in the intro, it is time for a brand new sheet load of cards. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you a little bit about the sketch and the file and the instructions this month. I will be sharing a look at the first set of my cards, and I'll let you know how you can get the file if you're a subscriber to my channel. Here is a look at the printed file for this month's sheet load. This month you can see the sketch is as shown here on the left, and if you follow the instructions you can yield 8 cards, but don't forget it's always super easy to double that, or if you only want to make 1 card, I also have the dimensions of that right here. Now I will be back tomorrow to show you exactly how to put this together, but if you're a little impatient like me and you want to go ahead and start getting a set put together, please make sure to note, before cutting piece B, which is this dotted pattern paper piece, you will mat it with CS1, which is the blue cardstock, and then you cut together. And down here in the bottom right of that first page, I have kind of showed you what I mean. This just makes it super simple and easy to get these 2 pieces exactly as you need them. But like I said, I will be back tomorrow with some more tips and to remind you about this. For this month, you are going to need 2 pieces of pattern 12 by 12 paper, 2 solid cardstocks for the matting here and for your sentiment if you choose, and then you need 4 more solid cardstocks for that standard A2 card base, and you'll yield 8 of those with those 4 pieces of cardstock. As always, I include some ways that you can do alternatives or make it your own, and you'll actually see in today's set of cards I do not stamp a sentiment here. That's a great thing about sheet load. You can add to it, you can remove from it, make it your own so it works for you and for what you need. The second page of the file is going to include all of your cutting diagrams. So you have your A2 card bases, how to cut your sheet of CS1, and for CS2, these sizes are just a suggestion. If your sentiment is larger than this, use more of that piece of paper when you cut it. Now, just like last month, you are going to combine those 2 pattern papers together and kind of alternate them on the cards. So you will have 2 pattern papers that you cut exactly the same way. You will cut 4 pieces that are 4 by 5 1/4 and 4 pieces that are 3 3/4 by 2 1/4, and then alternate them. Now don't forget, at the end of this video, I'll tell you how you can download this file for free as long as you're a subscriber to my channel. Are you ready to see my first set of cards? For all of this month's cards, I used the Christmas Delivery Collection Kit from Carta Bella. You may have noticed from the close-up pictures that I didn't stamp an image. Instead, I used some of the cut-apart pages and the sticker pages to embellish my cards. This just shows you don't have to have dies, you don't have to have special stamps. Make it work for whatever you have on hand. One thing that SheetLoad of Cards is great for is mass producing cards, of course, and with the holidays coming up, this will be a great way for you to get a lot of your Christmas cards made and ready to send. Or I have a lot of subscribers who tell me that they actually donate these to nursing homes and senior centers. This would be a great way to do that economically. Now, if you're going to play along this month, do not forget to check out the new guidelines for the Show Us Your Sheet Load. I will have that video linked in the description box below, and I'll go ahead and put it at the end of this video as well in a thumbnail. If you are going to play along on YouTube or Instagram, make sure that you use the hashtag SUYSNOV2019. That way, I and my subscribers and viewers can come see what you created. Now, if you would like to send a card to my P.O. box, you will want to follow the instructions in that other video, and I go about every Friday during the month. So whatever the last Friday is that falls, which will probably be the Friday after Thanksgiving, I will collect all the cards I've gotten from that month, and then I will share them with you in a video at the end of November. Now, don't forget that with the new way that you can show us your sheet load, if you're going to send them into my P.O. box, you don't even have to use this month's sheet load. You can use any of the past ones. And as always, all of the sheet load of cards videos are linked below as well. And now the moment you've been waiting for. How do you get your hands on this file? Like I mentioned a couple times, I do ask that you're a subscriber to my channel, but we're going to be adults here and we're just going on the honor system. Please, if you're going to go download this file, please make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not already. I have a link at the very bottom of the description box below to the PDF of this month's sheet load of cards. You can just go click on that, you can open it and print it, you can download it, you can just view it on your iPad or your computer, whatever you want to do. If you have any questions, make sure to leave those in the comment section below and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. And until my next video, which will be tomorrow showing you how I created these cards, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.